Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Amex app how to turn off pay over time. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So in order to turn off pay over time in Amex, what you need to do is simply head over and launch the Amex application, and once you're inside, simply tap on the login option and then enter in your username and password and then simply tap on login. Then once you're logged into your account, here what you need to do is simply tap on the card with pay over time. Then simply select account services, and inside account services select manage pay over time or similar wording. Then inside select turn off pay over time and then confirm your choice, and then once that's done or once turned off, new charges will not be eligible to carry a balance with interest. Existing balances that were already on pay over time may still accrue interest until fully paid. You can also turn off by calling the number on the back of the card and say you want to turn off pay over time on your account, and the representative may confirm your account and existing balance before turning it off. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.